Today I'm going to teach you if that rattling is your clutch. The solution is easier than you think. Now let's get into it.
Step 1, put the bike on its side stand, put the bike in gear. Step 2, use snap ring pliers to disassemble the clutch pull arm. Step 3, remove the 5mm Allen head bolts that hold the clutch cover to the engine. Allow the pivot shaft to rotate as you're pulling the cover off. Step 4, remove the 10mm hex head bolts that hold the pressure plate to the clutch housing. Notice the first friction plate is offset from the rest. Remove the entire clutch stack and lay it out on a clean surface without changing the plate sequence or orientation for easy reassembly. At this point, you have direct access to the clutch basket, which is what we're really here to evaluate. Go ahead and grab the clutch basket and work to rotate it back and forth. This play here, I can see the basket moving independently of the ring gear at the back, is the play we're trying to observe. This part should have zero play, as the clutch dampers should be directly touching both sides of the holes that they rest in. But over time, the clutch cushions compress and create slack that you see here. Yamaha did not publish a tolerance for this clutch basket play, which strongly implies that zero play is intended by design. Any amount of movement here means that cushions have compressed, and once that starts, it only gets worse. This is exactly the issue my clutch repair kit is designed to address. Instead of replacing the entire basket, the housing can be serviced by drilling out the rivets, tapping new threads, and installing tougher, more resilient clutch cushions. The result is a renewed clutch basket that restores proper damping and performs better than the original OEM setup. For reassembly, install the clutch stack in the same sequence it came out, with all but the last friction plate tabs lining up with this mark, and the last friction plate being offset one notch to the right. Torque the 6 pressure plate bolts to 7.2 foot-pounds. Align the pull arm that protrudes from the pressure plate with the angle of the pivot shaft. Torque the 5mm Allen head clutch cover bolts to 8.7 foot-pounds. Twist the pivot shaft so it turns as far counterclockwise as it will go before sliding the pull arm onto the splines and aligning the arrow with the dot on the pull arm.
And now if you know you've got clutch basket rattle, head to the website inmotiondesign.ca to pick up your own clutch basket repair kit to solve that problem once and for all. The full video servicing this clutch basket and using my kit is available down in the description, as well as a full video on disassembling and reassembling the clutch for this bike in case you're having trouble putting it back together. Thanks for watching and have a good day.